Welcome back to 6 Minute Math, where we turn confusion into clarity 6 minutes at a time. Thank you for joining us today, where we are going to explore multiplying numbers using the stack method. 6 minutes is not a lot of time, so let's get going. Here we go. Our key points when we are multiplying using the stack method is to at first line up our place values. We are going to multiply the lower ones digit by the upper ones digit, then by the upper tens digit, continuing on through all the digits. The solution will go in our answer starting under the ones digit. Then we are going to multiply the lower tens digit by the upper ones digit, then the upper tens digit, continuing on again through all the digits. This is very important. We need to place the solution to the lower tens digit starting in the tens digit of the answer. At the very end, after I multiplied all my numbers, I'm going to add them all up in the solution vertically, carrying numbers where applicable. This seems like a lot, but it will make way more sense when we see an example. We are going to solve the following: 72 times 24. I have a handy place value chart here, so I'm going to put my two numbers in, 72 and 24. I'm going to start on my lower ones digit, and I'm going to multiply it by my upper ones digit. 4 times 2 is 8. Then I'm going to continue on with my lower ones digit and multiply it by the tens digit. 4 times 7 is 28. I've done all of my upper digits, so I move on to the lower tens. 2 times 2 is 4, and this was where the important part starts. It has to start under the tens digit. Moving on, 2 times 7 is 14, so I will continue to put that in. And then I just add vertically. I'll do a placeholder 0 here. 8 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 2 carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7. And 1 by itself is a 1. Therefore, 72 times 24 is 1,728. Let's look at another example where we will multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. 239 times 13. Again, I have my place values chart. 239 times 13. Start on my lower ones digit. 3 times 9 is 27. So I'm going to say the 7 is there, and then I'm actually going to carry the 2. This will get added on. 3 times 3 is 9, plus the 2 is 11. So I'm going to drop the 1, carry the 1. And then lastly, 3 times 2 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. On to the tens digit. 1 times 9 is 9. Again, I start my answer in the tens place. 1 times 3 is 3. And 1 times 2 is 2. And then I add up vertically with a placeholder 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. 1 plus 9 is 10. Drop the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 plus 3 is 11. Drop the 1, carry the 1. And 1 plus 2 is 3. Making 239 times 13, 3,107. One last example here where I'm going to multiply a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. So I have my place value chart, 517 times 2, 4, 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. And 1 times 5 is 5. On to my tens, my 4 here, which is in the tens digit of my lower number. 4 times 7 is 8, carry the 2. 4 times 1 plus 2 is 6. And 4 times 5 is 20. Now on to the hundreds digit of my lower number, 2. 2 times 7 is 14. In this case, I'm going to start my solution under the hundreds digit. So I have my 4, and I'm going to carry the 1. 2 times 1 plus the 1 I carried is 3. And then 2 times 5 is 10. I add some placeholder zeros to help me here, and then I add vertically. 7, 1 plus 8 is 9, 5 plus 6 plus 4 is 15, 5 carry the 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 0 is 2, and 1 by itself is 1, making the answer 124,597. Those are all the examples we have today for multiplying numbers using the stack method. Please follow us on Instagram and TikTok at 6Minute Math, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below for any topics you want to see me tackle in a future 6-minute episode. Always remember that the best way to get math is to practice math, so keep on practicing, and until next time, keep solving and evolving.